I was paying 12 a month for a VPN subscription. My speed was inconsistent. I had no idea what the provider was actually doing with my traffic logs, and I was sharing bandwidth with thousands of other subscribers. Then I set up my own VPN server on a $40 a month cloud server, and everything changed. Faster speeds, complete privacy, because I own the server, no third party in the middle, and I pay less per month. This video shows you exactly how to do it. Commercial VPN providers are convenient, but here's what they don't advertise clearly. When you use a commercial VPN, you're trusting that company with all your internet traffic. You've just shifted trust from your ISP to the VPN provider. When you run your own VPN on your own server, nobody else sees your traffic. The server is yours. The logs, if any, are yours. No company is monetizing your data. The trade-off is a small amount of technical setup. But with WireGuard, that setup takes about 15 minutes. It's genuinely beginner friendly now. You need a Kamatera account, a free trial link in description. About 15 minutes, basic SH comfort. I'll cover the essentials. The WireGuard app on your phone or laptop are free, that's it. No advanced Linux knowledge required. Log into Kamatera, create a new server. For a personal VPN, the basic plan works perfectly. Type A availability, 1 vCPU, 1 GB RAM, 20 GB NVMe SSD, Ubuntu 24.4 LTS. Choose a data center in the region where you want your VPN exit point. Want a UK IP? Choose London. Want a US IP? Choose New York or California. Cost $40 a month, or 0.06 per hour if you only need it occasionally. Deploy the server, copy the IP address. SH into your server to shoot your server IP. Update packages, apt update and an apt upgrade. Install WireGuard. App install WireGuard will generate server keys. Jenki T at city WireGuard server private. Key would you packet to at city WireGuard server public. Key view your keys. Cat K at Sika WireGuard server private. K cat at Sika WireGuard server public. Key copy these, you'll need them in the next step. Create the WireGuard config file nano at Sika WireGuard Yugido. Conf paste this configuration. I put the full template in the description and interface. I just temp on the open 124 listen port. The function the painting template. Pro or CR or RBL equivalent tables a forward your CCBT. Okay, posterior lento eto JMSQ epitables def or you are the UGJ SSAPit. Epitable the posterior to JMSQ or the safe and close. Enable IP forwarding echo MP4. IP forward 1. So your SK Cisco. Fast Cisco start WireGuard. System enable the quick Wigido system to start with the quick Wigido. On your phone or laptop, install the WireGuard app free on iOS, Android, Windows, Mac, Linux. Generate a client key pair on your server. Bajijenki T client private, key packet to client public, key add the client to the server config. Public key UOT Pure by GK UI allowed IP stand 10 32 create a client config file. Type or I you the NP with KY address 10.0.2 hour 100 for DNS the 1.1.1 Ampere public key we are pure like GK import pure as you are the IP IVD 2020 allow deposit 0.2.0 jail. Import this config into the WireGuard app on your device. Enable the tunnel. You're now connected to your private VPN. Go to WhatisMap. Come in your browser. The IP should now show your Kamatera server IP, not your home IP. That means your VPN is working. Run a speed test. On most Kamatera servers, you'll see 500 Mbps throughput on WireGuard. That's faster than most commercial VPN services. Commercial VPN subscription 10 to 20 per month. Shared bandwidth logs policy you can't verify. Kamatera basic server for VPN $40 a month. Dedicated bandwidth, you own the server and the logs. Annual savings for 72 to 132. Plus better speeds. Plus real privacy. If you only need the VPN occasionally, deploy an hourly server and shut it down when you're done. You literally pay by the minute. When you self-host, there is no third-party VPN provider logging your sessions. Your ISP sees encrypted traffic going to a server. They can't see what you're doing. Your VPN server sees your traffic, but you own that server. There's no commercial entity sitting in between with a business incentive to monetize your data. For privacy, conscious individuals, journalists, developers working on sensitive projects, or anyone who simply wants full control, this setup is the gold standard. Your own VPN server, 15 minutes of setup, $40 a month, full privacy. The Kamatera free trial link is in the description. You can run this entire setup on trial credits and test everything before spending a cent. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe Yamu Pokote channel. Leave a comment if you have questions. See you in the next one.